Hello viewer, we will make a new design and shape here. So using the designs, I will choose that one. Here I will go to the custom shapes. In custom shape, I will make a butterfly design in the center. So let's use the butterfly on each side. There we have these designs. Choosing the shapes here. I will make the new colors. That's it.